What's up, everyone? Choose here once again. I think this is the fourth day in a row for me. It may not be a video tomorrow. I think I've overstayed my welcome, but anyway, um, so the restaurant that I was supposed to go to with my friend that's out in Evanston, which is a distance somewhat for the both of us. Um, it was not supposed to be this. I canceled it. And I'll tell you why I canceled it. But when I was thinking about what I would eat today, um, I was on DoorDash, and actually earlier this week I was looking to see if this restaurant was on there. But because I order from DoorDash so much, I didn't think it was on there at all because I felt like I would have seen it. I looked at Grubhub, I didn't see it there. So I'm looking at DoorDash again and browsing through, and there I saw it. Checkers. I haven't had checkers in years, and I'm looking forward to this. So what I have is I think it's called the Champ Classic, but I've ordered it with an extra patty. I loved their Champ burgers. I love their fries, and then I ordered something called a Classic Mother Cruncher or something like that. I'll get it right. I'm hungry. So yeah, let's just start. Give me a little catch up on here. I hope you guys are doing okay. Um, Thank you for any new subscribers that I've received. Thank you so much and welcome to the channel. Hope you're enjoying the content and all that good stuff. Do remember that if you like what you're seeing, to give a thumbs up, post a comment, um, and hit the notification bell, is what I can tell you. It is important to me to make sure that you guys are, being notified when I do stuff, because as of late, I'm doing stuff all the time. This chicken sandwich is supposed to be really crispy, crunchy, like the breading and everything. So it certainly looks good from that angle. Lettuce, tomato pickle, and some kind of sauce. Hard to tell what that sauce is. Ketchup based, maybe. Mmm. Good. Not the same as biting into a Popeye's chicken sandwich, but good. High C fruit punch. So the reason I canceled with my friend, so Tuesday he canceled. And then today, this morning, I canceled. Because something didn't occur to me until today. It didn't occur to me Tuesday. My friend was supposed to be going to Indiana. Well, Indiana, their COVID numbers are like through the roof. So I said, you know what? I don't know how long he was there. He said he was going to be there longer than he had anticipated, so he had to cancel. I didn't ask him what was going on. It's not my business. He's my friend, my coworker. He's a pretty stand-up dude. So I just was like, that's okay. We'll reschedule for today. So Indiana in the news had dawned on me today, and I immediately sent him an email. I mean, a text. I'm sorry, a text. Can't remember the last time I emailed somebody. Yes, I can. And I emailed them today. And you know who you are? I just want to say thank you. I appreciate it. And would like to remind you all, if there's something that you would like me to eat, I can't imagine, other than maybe octopus and alligator, which are kind of the two foods that in chats and live streams of others, those have come up as foods that people would like for me to try. Um, I'm not gonna be doing the octopus, but I might do the alligator if I can find a restaurant that has alligator, because I'm not gonna cook it. But yeah, if you would like to see me eat anything other than caca, um, uh, I have a PayPal and a Cash App. Cash App is $ spectabulous. SPECTABULOUS. If that's a little difficult, I got a PayPal link or a please donate link. There you go. This was a distance, so these fries are kind of soft. She got here quicker than I thought she would, but it's still a little distant. It said it was going to take about 30 to 47 minutes. What is that sauce? I wish I knew. Is it a hot sauce? It's not really spicy though. Oh well. But we still will do that restaurant. And by the way, in case any of you were wondering, it's not Will, you guys. The next time Will and I get together, it's probably going to be edibles and or sushi. At least that's what we discussed. So last night, I joined the first live stream from Seawit's World. I'm sure some of you have probably heard of them. This is the classic champ, but it's with an extra patty. Mm. You know, I wonder if brioche buns are cheap. I'm going to get back to Seawood's World, but I'm not a big fan of the brioche bun. And it seems like every time I turn around, mm, mm, somebody's using a brioche bun for something. I don't think their champ burgers, used to have a brioche bun. In fact, I don't think in the 90s anyone knew what the hell a brioche bun was. But I have to say, I'm just not a fan. I like a seeded bun or just a regular bun that's not brioche. Just like the bun you would get if you were going to get a regular cheeseburger from McDonald's, that plain bun without any seeds. I like that. So for me, this is good. I love the sandwich, but I don't love the bun. You know, everything else is right. The mayonnaise, the pickle, the onion, all that's right. Just that bun. Anyway, I had such a good time on Seawards World's live yesterday. And they genuinely seemed like so happy to finally be live. Although I was strange because in my life, I think this week they were in there and they were talking about how they couldn't wait to go live, and then like a day later or a day or two later, voila, here they go. And they were talking about trying to get people to eat alligator because I guess some people in the chat had tried it and they said it tastes like chicken. I've heard that before, but mm, I don't know. I have to see it cooked. Maybe if I see a picture of it cooked, then I would get more of a feeling like I wanted to try it. But I don't even know what place here would even sell it. The only time I think you might be able to find alligator is when we have our taste of, well, we shortened it to the taste of Chicago, which probably won't be happening this year. Well, here's my assessment of Checkers. I'm glad they're on DoorDash. Um, I'm not happy about the brioche bun, but I'll order from there again. I mean, this burger is good. Does it remind me of exactly like in the 90s? No. That's because of the bun. And that's the last time I'm going to say it. I'm done with it. But I would still buy it again. And they actually sell a double fish sandwich, which I want to try so bad. Mm. It felt like something was crawling on my shirt that I could feel. Hmm. That part of it was really good toward the end. They still they still got some decent fries. Okay, I think that's it, you guys. Completely full. Thank you so much. I appreciate you watching. And like I said, I don't know about doing a video tomorrow. Take a breather. But I will always be around trying to catch up on you guys' videos. I've tried to kind of get them as I see them pop up, the people that I'm subscribed to, but it's not always easy. But anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.